to leave a scheme. Come in here, come up by the wall, yo. Come up by the wall, Richard. Yeah, come up by the wall. Yeah.
So we have Dream Team here.
We're not getting kick off for the keep the ball. For the kick off, for the kick off. Yeah, tough man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Christopher back from the UK with a banger.
You know, Trump always I play with them. You know, and I just like.
So just tell them what I go on today.
So every time, you know, when I play with them, right? When I play football, I believe them. I always barefoot, like no one's got boots. Like, me when I have boots and I play myself. So I been bringing a few boots last time, like 4 or 5. No, no, 12. Most of them were studs.
Yeah, okay.
Because they were donors.
Yeah.
The studs. So I said, you know what? Let me go out and purchase some. In my pocket. Yeah. And then after purchase some now, I see you can help. Help as well.
Yeah.
So I got England for like a month.
Yeah.
And come out yesterday.
Yeah.
And this is the result. We have some.
2 days a day when you are putting a competition for the
kids,
for the younger generation. As you can see it out already. So
you want to see them?
yeah, we see what I go on. And we have Bonus Card. So Bonus Card, we're going to look on these things where Christopher bring for the kids them the football.
Yo, He's the best. By the way, he's the best footballer in all the touchdown.
Yeah.
I'm not shy.
Him more.
As I say, from a positive movement, you know,
Alright.
more than you Christopher Keenan, alongside me, Cockaway Steve.
Yeah.
That's try to build a unit. Because I develop different atmosphere for the youth.
Yeah.
You can continue to this over and
Over and over.
Probably every other Saturday, even earlier than that.
Yeah. Make them have
Some
something.
possibility. Even when someone with a nice, you can
Yeah.
tell people, I mean, it don't take not much.
Yeah.
Really organize.
Yeah.
We not look for it.
No.
Enhance.
Yeah, the youth them future. But then again, now the right time you have capture them, you know. Because you have to change your mentality from now.
And enforce different direction of them as well.
Yeah.
As we have to, we don't want the youth get up and talk about the gun,
True.
the knife, and the violence.
Yeah.
Start from away. My father did this and my brother did that. It just enhance.
Yes, them grew up with revenge.
Yeah, the vengeance.
That's right.
Cycle thing. So
Yeah.
I try to change the patch there.
Yeah. Mindset, yeah.
Give them something to believe in. Yeah.
True. True.
And now
Yeah.
encourage and now
Yeah.
parent. And the parental guide as well.
True.
Which we as man, as a father figure, that should enhance the direction as well.
Yeah.
Whichever possibility take, that should push away
So
there.
imagine this here. Imagine 10 years from now, the generation we want to have. And all of them stay positive.
Yeah.
So imagine a
That's
generation we
what
want to have. Yeah. So imagine 10 years from now, and all of them still stay positive. It's a better outlook for Trenchtown now with that generation we are to the next, you know.
Yeah, because you see nothing to try with a failure.
Sure.
You see, fail, you try again.
Try again.
So the audience will continue to try. So everything in every nature of you try with it.
Yeah. Continue to try.
Continue. Every audience try. I want to give up on them.
I give up on the future. Yeah, I can.
You do sometimes, you talk to them and them.
Can't give up.
Them there with them and have to live a ball and then tell them away and them a be there.
Yeah.
Start the game a couple of times and you know, talk to them and
Yeah. So you know we have
and from that, it's a good look.
the good news.
The league end up now. What are the way already away? You know, but
Yeah. But it stay more positive.
Could have do, but it's work out alright.
Yeah.
I look patch with all the football.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? All the football, all over the world.
Yeah.
They have big man that get children that phone get told.
I do the same thing.
Do the same.
That's part of football.
Not a card, not a card, they do the same thing. Our little league, they're not the same direction. No. But we can't say two don't do the same thing. But I mean,
Yeah, true.
it's just a case of way.
Yeah. So we are looking for So we are looking for what Christopher bring to the kids them out here and give them after what I'm saying the kind of real. It's all got this.
I know, right? I was singing a song for the youth. No. Girl, I don't sing to.
Girl alone. Alright. So
Yo, fire 30 in the ear, you can play. Yeah? One person for each team. Or 13 in the ear.
hold on.
You know. Kino, Uber new.
Yeah. So
The Kino,
so this is all brand new. All football beans here.
1 and 2 shots in there. It's a little thing for you, then you get me. Yo, Kino, I want to do 3 cases, you know. I want to do 3 cases, but
We give thanks where we get so far.
no work out. But anyway, it's a start.
It's a start. I will give thanks. So after the competition, I know them can look forward to getting a pair of
A
boots.
couple of them, I they promised them boots, about 5 of them. No, cool.
Yeah, so you know them the sizes already for them.
Yeah,
Right.
and then we'll just go from there.
Alright, so what we're doing now, then the game continue them now.
Yeah.
Since I'm ready,
Yeah.
I can present them boots here after.
Yeah, alright, yeah, man.
No barefoot.
So that's 7.
Yo, see me here.
Papa P shows them say Papa P no barefoot.
Man, a big baller, they meet a big baller. You see? Steven.
Thirteen and under.
13 at the year, you can't.
Yeah, 14.
12, so we just. Yes, Tino. Niceness.
So this is the kickoff.
Niceness. Yeah, bro. Your team name again?
No war.
Sorry.
Here, no war on the field.
So
Anybody war, come off.
yeah. So you know my team named Dream Team. My side over there, so Dream Team over there. I go and rate. Yeah. So Dream Team there. That's my team. Dream Team there. You know I go and look on. So when time I'm ready.
Yeah, 10-minute games.
Yeah, 10-minute game.
That's what the time that it
Listen, you want one?
No sure.
So who kick off? Who kick off? Alright, hold on. After me ready. Yeah, go on. Put your foot up by the wall. Cool. No, you can't take my foot.
One of them alone can play. Three of them can't play.
Fire! See them over there, so. Go on, come up. Come up, I feel. Run go over there, sir. Run go over there, sir. Run go over there, sir. Where you how come boy that ball line up?
Yeah. Check. Yeah, man. You don't know it's a youth thing, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. You there, you know, it's a youth competition. You see? Yeah. So, you know, it's like... Yeah. It's things like this. Real steam, you know? Yeah. The player for Socks, you don't know the number 10? So, yeah, just watch the number 10 for Socks, is a good player. Yeah.
The ball of that, you know. Ball game, Zico.
The river scheme. Come in here, come up by the wall, yo. Come up by the wall, Richard. Yeah, come up by the wall. Yeah, you see. Yeah. Cuma you can't talk to me. You can't go up by one. You can't see the ball. Yo, dan ku ada player so beautiful. Ya watch a quick member ya da school money. Udah bala ora beautiful man traffic. Yeah, so. The beautiful man traffic. I don't know your practice. Yo. A goal wide. And it's a goal kick for the Sox team.
Yeah.
Ready to turn the ball to stop a shot. Oh my word.
So we're in a penalty shootout.
No shirt.
You want no? Ask him. No, you want it first.
You win the top if you want. You pick now you want. You get the
Which one you want? Alright, so Uno pick first. Right, so Uno pick first. I'm there, so laughing and you see it run. You see? I'm aggressive, man. Yo, I tell the boy, yeah. So the father can tell you about it, you know. What did he say? Yeah, he say I'm alright. Christopher, watch him, watch him. Yeah, no matter he's bad. So we tell them, put on. Things alright? So we have Dream Team here. We're not getting them kick off, we're going to keep the ball. Who want to kick off? Them call out, who want to kick off? Yeah, tough man. Last go. This is the ball I'm talking about. It's starting to work, son. The very here, only referee, man. Public announcement. Public announcement saying no to racism. It was the best part of the 4th Street, they call it Shabba. And it gave lemonade. Lemonade just a really to the country. Lemonade is Well done, referee. Toe captain. Sean K from the Super Power. Come down there, captain. Sean K from the Super. So Dream Team in the final. So Dream Team in the final. Dream Team kids make it to the final. So we got Dream Team here.
Please and thank you.
Kids in the final versus Buckers. Dream Team versus Buckers in the final.
Frankie.
Yeah. That's a big one.
Yeah, Baba.
My side, come now. Kino.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.